Hi, thanks for your interest in our program. My name is Tim Canty. I'm the director of the undergraduate program in atmospheric and oceanic science at the University of Maryland. I'm also the director of the Marine Estuarine Environmental Science graduate program. And I'm also a research scientist. I'm a research professor and I study atmospheric composition, including climate change and air quality, specific related to air quality policy.
My name is Dr. Alexandra Jones. I'm the Assistant Program Director for Undergraduate Studies in Atmospheric and Oceanic Science, and I'm also an Assistant Clinical Professor in the Fire Program. My research specialty is in clouds and computing, and that's what I teach to freshman undergraduates.
Our undergraduate program was created in 2013. I actually helped create the program. Our department, though, has been around for decades. The goal of our program was to create a broad but rigorous foundation for our students to allow them to develop their particular interests, whether it's forecasting, oceanography, climate, or whatever. Our program is ranked 5th overall in the country, and our department is ranked 12th globally. Our faculty are world-renowned scientists, and they're the ones who are teaching our classes. One of the unique features of our department is its close proximity to federal research labs. NASA Goddard is about a 20-minute drive from our campus. There are various NOAA facilities around, including the Center for Weather and Climate Prediction, which is about a 25-minute walk from campus, or you can take a shuttle, which is a lot quicker. And over in that NOAA facility is the Ocean Prediction Center, the Weather Prediction Center, an Air Resources Lab, and other facilities from the National Weather Service. The National Institute of Standards and Technology are also nearby, the Earth System Science Interdisciplinary Center, the Cooperative Institute for Satellite Earth System Science, and the Joint Global Change Research Institute are all closely located to our campus.
Here are some quick stats about our department. We have about 55 students in the undergraduate program, which means nice small class sizes in your major. We've achieved near gender parity among our undergraduates, and our stats are about that of the university in terms of diversity. So our small program means we get to offer the benefits of that small class size amongst the resources of a large world-class university. This means that as a student, you get to be known by your professors and your advisors, and your experience is tailored to what you want it to be. The proximity of our program to those research resources that Tim mentioned, with research centers and private institutions, gives all of our students opportunities for internships and research. And not just opportunities, but it's actually a requirement of our degree. And this is a unique feature of our program. All students must complete and defend a full-year senior research project. This gives you a chance to gain valuable, marketable skills and prepares you for either graduate school or a professional workplace. You also have an opportunity to showcase your abilities to employers who attend our research symposium, which is pictured here on this slide.
If you'd like to contact us directly, please email us at aosc.advise@umd.edu. We're happy to answer any questions you have or put you in touch with some of our current students.